second counts. Moreover, AI aids in the decision-making process during missile launches. With the ability to analyze multiple variables simultaneously, AI provides invaluable insights that humans may overlook. It's like having a super smart assistant who's always ready to provide the best advice based on a comprehensive analysis. In an arena where the stakes are high, false alarms can be costly. AI comes to the rescue here too. It helps distinguish between genuine threats and false alarms, minimizing the risk of unnecessary action. This discerning capability of AI reduces stress on human operators and allows for more focused responses to real threats. Lastly, AI minimizes human errors. We all make mistakes, but in missile security, there's little room for error. AI, being a machine, doesn't get tired or distracted. It consistently performs its tasks with high accuracy, making missile operations safer and more reliable. With the assistance of AI, the realm of missile safety and security has become more reliable, efficient, and accurate. A testament to how technology is not just reshaping our lives, but also safeguarding them. Let's recap what we've learned about AI's role in missile safety and security. Artificial intelligence, in its essence, is a game changer in the world of missile security. Its application in this domain is not just important, but crucial, as it has the power to enhance safety protocols exponentially. AI's working in missile security is intricate yet fascinating. It functions by analyzing patterns, predicting potential threats, and taking corrective measures in real time. This in turn leads to improved reliability and efficiency of the overall system. But it doesn't stop there. AI also brings about an unmatched level of accuracy. It eliminates human errors, provides precise calculations, and ensures a high level of accuracy in missile targeting, thereby reducing the risk of collateral damage. In conclusion, the integration of AI in missile safety and security is a leap towards a safer and more secure future. There's no denying the vital role AI plays in missile safety and security, and it's exciting to think about how it will continue to shape this field in the future.